Again, so we were doing playing with numbers chapter 3 of class 6th NCERT math, and in the last session we have explained about test of divisibility of few numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so based on that the exercise is 3.3. So we'll solve each and every question and show you how to means solve, and we'll explain also everything. Okay, so question number one. So question number one is question number is one is using the divisibility test. Using the divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, and then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and you need to say yes or no for that. So we'll write the numbers and we'll test one by one and show you how to do it. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 8, then number is 9, sorry, 990, 990, and then 1, 5, 8, 6, and then 2, 7, 5, then 6, 6, 8, 6, then it is 6, 3, 9, 2, 1, 0, then it is 4, 2, 9, 7, 1, 4, then 2, 8, 5, 6, okay, and 3, 0, 6, 0, and the last one is 4, 0, 6, 8, and 3, 9. Okay, so now we'll start with 2 and we'll write what is whether it is divisible by or not. Okay, so we have drawn a line also. Okay, and we'll write whether it is divisible by the numbers or not by writing yes or no. Okay, so we'll try with we'll start with 1, and you will see that let's take some other color. Okay, so we'll start here and start writing by 2, and then we'll proceed. So it will be longer question, and we will erase in this table itself, but you need not erase in yours one. You need to draw the complete graph and then write one by one. Okay, so first of all we'll start with 2. Okay, okay, so what is the divisibility by 2? If any numbers ones place, means this place is divisible by 2, means multiple of 2, then that number will be divisible by 2. So since it is 8, so it is divisible by 2, this is yes. Then 0, it is also divisible by 2, so it is also yes. Okay, then it is 6, this is also yes. Then it is 5, this is no. This is 6, this is yes. So we are only taking out the ones place digit. So it is 0, it is yes. 4, it is yes. 6, it is yes. And 0, it is yes. And 9, it is no. Okay, why it is no? Because 9 is a odd number. Okay, so we have written the completely that whether they are divisible by 2 or not. Okay, now we'll take 3. Okay, we are erasing this one, and we will start by 3. Okay, by 3. So what is means divisibility by 3 rule? So rule is there that if the sum of those numbers is divisible or multiple of 3, then that number will be divisible by 3. Okay, so you need to sum these digits, all digits you need to sum it. Okay, 8 plus 3, it is 11, it is not divisible by 3, so it is no. This is a 990, it is 9 plus 9, 18, plus 0, 18, total it is since 18 is divisible by 3, so it is yes, it is divisible. Then 1, 5, 8, 6, add all the numbers, 1 plus 5, 6, and then 6 and 6, 8. Okay, 14, and 14 and 6, 20. So 20 is not divisible by 3, so it is no. Okay, And similarly this one, 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, it is not divisible by 3, so it is no. Okay, so in this way you need to keep on writing whether they are uh, divisible by 3 or not. Okay, similarly 6 6 8 6, 6 and 6, you need to add up, this is 12, and then 12 and then 8, it is 20, and 26 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so then it is no. Okay, and then next one will be 6 plus 3 9, 9 then 9, 9 okay, 9 9 9 18, and this uh, uh, complete is 21. 21 is divisible by 3, is divisible by 3, yes. And the next one is 4, this one, so 4 plus 2 6, then 9 15, 15 then 7, 22, then 23, and then 4, it is 27, so it is divisible by 3. 27 is divisible by 3, so it is complete number is also divisible by 3. Next number, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 5 15, and 15 plus 6 21. So this is divisible by 21 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by, okay, yes. So next number it is 9. So it is yes. And next number it is 6 plus 4 is 10. Then 18. 18 plus 3 21, and 21 plus 9 is 30. So 30 is divisible by 3. Therefore this number is also divisible by 3. So this is the complete list of divisibility by 3. Okay. So now we are erasing. Okay. Okay. Fine. So next we need to do add divisibility by 4. Okay. So what is the divisibility by 4? We have explained in the last video that if that number is of 3 digits or more. Okay. If that is divisible by 4, only if the last two digits means ones and tens, means here it is 28. If it is divisible by 4, then the complete number will be divisible by 4. Okay, so first one, it is 28, it is 28 is divisible by 4, therefore complete number is divisible by 4, so it is yes. So now here it is 90. So if 90 is divisible by 4, then the complete number will be divisible by 4. So since 90 is not divisible by 4, okay, so it will be no. And here it is 86. 86 is not divisible by 4, so it is also no. Here is 75, it is not divisible by 4, this is complete number is not divisible by 4. Here it is again 86, so it is also no. Here it is 10, it is not divisible by 4, it is also no. Here it is 14, this is not divisible by 4, so this is not divisible by 4 complete number. Here it is 56, 56 is divisible by 4, so it is divisible by 4. Here it is 60, 60 divisible by 4, so complete number is divisible by 4, therefore yes. And here is 39, 39 is not divisible by 4, so complete number is not divisible by 4. Okay, so like no. So this is divisibility of 4. Okay, fine. So we have completed the divisibility of 4. I think we have explained everything to you, and you got the point. Okay, so now we'll erase this. We are erasing as we don't have a space here to explain all at once. Okay, now we have come to 5. Okay, so 5, what is the divisibility rule of 5? If at unit place there is a 5 or 0, if 5 or 0 is there, either 5 or 0, then that will be divisible by 5. Okay, so we'll take here. So this is not the case, so this is not divisible by 4. No, this is yes, this is no, this is yes, this is no, this is yes, this is no. Okay, why we are writing no here? Because this is 4, it is not 0 or 5. Okay, so here also 6 is there, so no. Here 0 is there, so yes. Here 9 it is there, so no. Okay, so I think you got the point, and you understood completely why means we are writing yes or no. Okay, for divisibility of 0 or 5. If you are finding any problem, you can just refer to the previous video, or just put a comment over here, over this video. Okay, so we'll try to explain that. Okay, so 5 is complete. Now 6 is there. Okay, so divisibility by 6. Okay, so if any number is divisible by 6, that is only if, because 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3, if it is divisible by both together, okay, then only it is divisible by 6. Okay, so first of all we will see by 2, then we will see by 3. Okay, if it passes for 2, then only we will go for 3, because both are important. Okay, if it is not divisible by 2, then it will not be divisible by 6 also. Okay, so it's either one. So we'll take 2. So this is even number, so divisible by 2. And now we'll test for 3. Okay, so for 3 it is failing. Okay, so it is not divisible by 6 also, so we'll write no. This is 0 here, so it is divisible by 2, and it is divisible by 3 also. Okay, because 9 plus 9 18, so 18 is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 6 also, so it is yes. Next one is divisible by 2 because 6 is there. Now we'll try for adding all numbers and we'll see. Okay, 5 and 1 it is 6, and then 6 and 8 14, 14 and 6 is 20, 20 is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6 also. Okay, if any one of 2 or 3 fails, then 6 will fail. Okay, so here it is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2, therefore not by 6. Here it is 6 divisible by 2, because it is even number. Now we'll test for the 3 also. So for 3, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, and 20 plus 6 26, 26 is not divisible by 3, therefore it is not divisible by 6, so it is no. Here it is divisible by 2. Now we'll test for 3. It is divisible by 3, so it is yes. Okay, here it is even number, and so it is divisible by 2. Now we'll test for 3. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 and 6 plus 9, it is 15, and 15 plus 7 is 22, 22 and 5 it is 27, so it is divisible by 27, divisible by 3, therefore it is also divisible by 6. Okay, here it is even number, divisible by 2. Now we'll test for 3. So for dividing by 3, we need to add all numbers. So 8 plus 2 it is 10, then 5 is 15, and then 6 is 21. So 21 is divisible by 3, therefore complete number is also divisible by 3 and 6. Okay, so it is yes. Now we have come to here, so it is divisible by 3 and 2 both. Okay, so it is yes. Now we'll test here, so it is not divisible by 2, so it is not divisible by 6 also. Okay, so I think got the point. So we have divided by 2 also and 3 also. If either one is failed, then complete number fail. If both pass, then only can be divisible by 6. Okay, so 6 is okay. So now erasing this. Okay, okay, it is not being erased, so we have to take the help of this one. Okay, now we'll go to divisibility by 8. Okay, by 8. So what is the rule for divisibility by 8? Okay, if that number is of digits more than 3 digits. Okay, so digits are more than 3 digits, means 4 or more. Okay, so then if that is divisible by 4 only if the last 3 digits means these digits if they are divisible by 8, only then that number will be divisible by 8. So we'll test these also, this test these also, because these numbers are divisible by 8 or not, we need to get by dividing directly. Okay, so what we see, that this number is not divisible by 8, so here it will be no. Here, okay, you see here, so this is also not divisible by 8, is also no. Now in this number we will take only 3 digits, and we'll try to find out its divisibility by 8 is there or not. So we can see that if it divides by 8, so 8 8 8 8 7 are 56, and then we get 2, and then 26 is not divided by 8, so it is not. Okay, 275, it is odd number at the unit place, it cannot be divided, so it is also no. And now we have come to the 686, so we'll take up the 686 divisibility by 8. So we'll test it, and it is 8 8 is 64, and then get 4 and 6 and 46. 46, it is not divisible by 8, so it is no. Okay, now we'll take this one, 210. If 210 is divisible by 8 or not. So 8 to just 16, and 16, and then you subtract 16 by 20, you'll get 5. Then 0 is there, and that is not divisible, so it is also no. Okay, we are only testing the divisibility of last three digits. If it is divisible by 8, then only it will be the complete number will be divisible. So we are testing like this only. Okay, so this is the method. Okay, so similarly, you divide 714, this is also not divisible by 4, oh, sorry, 8, then this is no. Now we'll test this one. This is divisible by 8, we can clearly see 8 ones are 8, and then we have 0, and then 7. Okay, 107, so this is yes, this is divisible. Here we have 060, means you can call it as 60, so it is not divisible by 8, so it is no. And this is completely neglect, means negative, because this is a odd number. Okay, so odd number cannot be divided by 8. Okay, fine, so this is no. So this is the complete list why divisibility by. Okay, so we are erasing this again. Oh, it has stuck now, it's not taking. Anyway, so we'll try to erase by eraser. Okay, now we have come to divisibility by 9. Okay, by 9, by 9. Okay, so what is the divisibility by 9? That is, if you want to test the divisibility by 9, then if the sum of the digits, sum of the all the digits is divisible by 9, then that will be divisible by 9. Okay, so we need to sum all digits. Sum means these all 1 to 8, you sum it. Here means, for example, here it is there, you add the 275, then if that is divisible by 9, then that is the number is divisible by 9. Okay, simple as that. So for 1 to 8, okay, so it is 8 plus 3 11, not divisible by 9, so no. 990, it is 18, that is divisible by 9, so it is yes. It is here it is 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 20, not divisible by 9, so no. Here it is 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 is not divisible by 9, so it is also. Here it is 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 is 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 is 6 26, so 26 is not divisible by 9, so it is also. Here come to this number and 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 9 18, and 18 plus this complete is 21. 21 is not divisible by 9, so it is also no. Come here, 4 4 plus 2, it is 6, 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 7 22, 22 and 5 27, it is divisible by 27, divisible by 9, so it is yes. We come to this place, and 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 is not divisible by 9, so it is also 9. You have come to 3 plus 0 plus 6, it is 9, 9 is divisible by divisible by 9, so it is yes. Okay, now we have come to this place. Here it is 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 21 9 27, it is yes. Okay, so this is divisibility by 9. Okay, got it? This is the complete solution of divisibility by 9. So okay, you note down, I am erasing it. Okay, okay, this. Okay, now we are testing by divisibility by 10. So 10 is very simple. If unit means at one's place 0 is there, then that is divisible, otherwise it is not divisible. So we can write directly no, yes, no, 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 yes. We need to see only 0 at the one's place. If it is there, then yes, otherwise no. No, no, yes, no. Okay, got the point? There is no confusion, I think. Okay, so this is the only thing. Okay, so now we have only remaining is the divisibility by 11. So we'll explain by 11. So what is 11? Divisibility by 11. Okay, so if you want to find out the divisibility by 11, then you need to find out the sum of the digits of the odd places starting from right. Okay, we'll start from the right. Okay, right, this is the 1 and this is the 3, this is the fifth. So these digits will be added, and the sum of the even number, even is this here 3, and then 3 means second place, 6 is that fourth place, and this 4 is the sixth place. So these even places number will be added, then we will find the difference. Okay, so if the difference is means divisible by 11, then that number itself 11 or 0. Okay, then that number will be divisible by 11. Okay, we have already means explained this in the previous video, you can watch that. Okay, so we'll find out here. So here it is 8 plus 1 minus 2. Okay, so 8 plus 1 means 9, 9 minus 2, 7. 7 is not divisible by 11, so it is not divisible by 11, so it is no. Okay, here it is 9, here will be 9 of the odd digits, and the even digits is 9, so 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So since it is 0, so it is divisible by 11 also. You need to find 0 or divisible by 11. Okay, so if it is there, then okay, otherwise no. Here it is 6 plus 5, this is 11, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Difference of both is 2. 2 is not divisible by 11, so it is no. Here it is 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 minus 7 is 0, so it is divisible by 11 also. And here it is 6 plus 6, okay, 12, and 8 plus 6, 14. Difference is 2. 2 is not divisible by 11, so it is also not divisible by 11. Here it is 0 plus 2 is 2, then plus 3 is 5. Okay, okay, 5, and then at even place 1 plus 9 is 10, and then 6, 16. Okay, so 16 minus 5, 16 minus 5 is 16 minus 5 is 11, so it is divisible by 11, so it is also yes. Okay, okay, fine. Here it is 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 plus 2 is 11 plus 2. Okay, 11 plus 2 is 13. Okay, so we have 13, and add up the even places. 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 plus 4, 10 plus 4 is 14. So 14 minus 13 is 1. This is not divisible by 11, so it is a no. Now we have at this place, so 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 minus 7. Okay, 7, so 7 is not divisible by 11, so it is also no. It is 0 plus 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is 0, and 6 plus 6 is 9, so 9 minus 0 not divisible by 11, so it is also no. Okay, here 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 0. Okay, is 17. Okay, we write 17 here, and then 6 plus 3 9, and 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, this is the difference is 4, which is 4 is not divisible by 9, sorry, 11, so it is also no. So this completes the complete exercise, complete question number 1. So we have tested for the divisibility of all these numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, And I think this complete question number 1 is understood by you. If you have any doubt or having any confusion, just watch the previous video or put the things in the comment. Okay, so now we'll proceed further, and we'll go for the question number 2. Okay, question number 02. So what is question number 02? So question number 0 is using the divisibility test need to determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and 8. Okay, so we need to test the divisibility by 4 and by 8. So both numbers will test. So first of all, we'll explain it how to find out the divisibility by 4 and 8. We have already explained, but we again explain. So for 4, we need to see the last two digits, means ones and tens place. Okay, if last two digits are divisible by 4, then that complete number will be divisible by 4. For 8, we'll see the last three digits. If last three digits are is divisible by 8, then the complete number will be divisible by 8. Okay, so we'll take one by one. So number A, it is 5 7 5 7 2. Okay, so it is clearly visible that it is divisible by 4. Okay, because 72 is divisible by 4. Okay, so we can write that divisible by 4. For 8 you need to completely divide by 8. Okay, so it is, we can see that 5722 is not divisible by 8, so we write that not divisible by 8. Okay, so we go to B part, question B part, and it is 7 7 2 6 3 5 2. Okay, so first of all, we will test for the divisibility by 4. So for testing the 4, we will take the last two digits. So 52 is divisible by 4. So we'll write that it is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4, as you need to write like this, as last two digits, that is 52 is divisible by, you need to write like this. Okay, we have written here in short, but you need to write as explanatory like this. Okay, now we'll test for the 352, because we need to test the divisibility by 8. Okay, so what we find that 352 is divisible by 8. Okay, so the same thing that we written here, same thing will write as 4. Okay, so divisible by, number is divisible, you will write number is divisible by 8 as last three digits. Okay, you will write the three digits, that is, sorry, that is 352 is divisible by 8. Okay, you need to write like this. You need to explain it, otherwise the teacher may not give the full marks to you. So you need to explain this. Okay, C part is 5500. Okay, so for divisibility by 4, you need to see last two digits, so it is divisible by 4. Okay, divisible by 4. So you need to write the complete explanation that the number is divisible by 4 as last two digits 00 are divisible by 4. Okay, you need to write like this. Now we'll test for the divisibility of 8. Okay, so for testing the divisibility of 8, you need to divide 500. Okay, 500 by 8. But if you see, it is not divisible by 8. 500 is not divisible by 8. So what you will write, that the number number 55000 is not divisible by 8 as last three digits that is 500 is not divisible by 8 okay. You need to write explanatory, okay, then only you'll get the complete means marks, okay. So now we have come to d 6000. So for divisibility of 4, we'll see that last two digits, so it is divisible by 4. Write the answer uh, in explanatory manner. I am not writing here, you need to write it, okay. So for divisibility of 8, you need to see the last three digits. So since it is 0, so it is divisible by 8 also. So it is divisible by 8, okay. It is divisible. Now the equation is 12159, okay. So since the unit digit itself is an odd number, so any odd numbers, if there is at ones place, unit digit means I am talking about the ones place, okay. If at ones place it is an odd number, it cannot be divided by 4 and 8, okay. You need to remember this. So it is not divisible by not divisible divisible by divisible by 4, okay. I am writing in short, but you need to write like this, that the number is not divisible by 4 as last two digits, that is 59, is not divisible by 4, okay. You will write like that. And similarly, it is not divisible by 8, okay. Fine, because 159 is not divisible by 8. Okay, now we have come to F part, and F part is 1414560. Okay, fine. So since 60 is divisible by 4, so it is divisible. Complete number is divisible by 4. Okay, so divisible by 4. Okay, so you need to write like this, okay. So you need to find out, okay. Now if you want to find out divisibility of 8, then you need to divide and find the divisibility of 560, okay. 560 divided by 8 is equal to comes as 70, so it means it is divisible by 8. So complete number is divisible by 8, okay. So you will write that the number number is divisible by 8 as last three digits 560 is divisible by 8, okay. We'll write explanatory answer, okay, fine. So G part is 21084. So I will do little quickly, and I will not write the explanatory answers, okay. So since these two digits are divisible by 4, so complete number is divisible by 4, okay. These three digits are not divisible by 8, so it is not divisible by 8, not divisible by 8, okay, fine. So now G is complete, then come to H. H is 3179507 okay. So for 4 we need to find only 72 divisible by 4, so it is divisible 4. Okay. Last 3 digits is 072 and same, that is divisible by 8. So it is also divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Okay. Then now we have come to I part. I part is 1700. Okay. So 00 is divisible by 4. So complete number is divisible by 4. Divisible, divisible by 4. Now for divisibility of 8, we will take 3 digits. So 700. 700 is not divisible by 8. So complete number is not divisible by 8. Not divisible. Not divisible by 8. Okay. Now we have come to last part of J. J is 2150. Okay. Since 50 is not divisible by 4, so it is not divisible by, complete number is not divisible by 4. Not divisible by 4. Okay. And similarly, the 150 is not divisible by 8, so it is not divisible by 8. Not divisible by 8. Okay. So this completes the question number 2. Now we have come to question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. So what is question number 3? Using the divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. Okay. Divisibility of 6 we need to find out. Okay. Divisibility by 6. So how we'll find the divisibility by 6? We need to find divisibility by 2 and 3. Okay. If both passes, both means divisibility by 2 and 3 both are okay, then only divisibility by 6 will be okay. Okay. So now we have come to question number 3 part A. So this is 297144. Okay. So since it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Okay. So and for divisibility by 3, what we have, we need to find that the divisibility by 3 can only be there if the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Then only it can be divisible by 3. Okay. So we need to sum the numbers. Then only we can find out the divisibility of 3. Okay. So we'll sum it. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 plus 8. 19 plus 8 is 27, is divisible by 27 divisible by 3. Okay. So both is okay. So it is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. You need to write it that since the number is an even number, so divisible by 2, and sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, therefore the number is divisible by 6. Okay. So this way you can write. So now B part. B part is 1258. 1258. Okay. So since it is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now add up all numbers. If that divides by 3, then okay. So 1 plus 2 3. 3 and 5 is 8, and 8 plus 8 16. That is not divisible by 3. Okay. 16 is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. Okay. So it is not divisible by 6. Fine. Now C part. C part is 4. 4 3 3 5. So it is clearly says, since it is odd number, it is not divisible by 2, so not divisible by 6 also. So not divisible by 6. Now come to D part. D is same, since it is an odd number. Okay, so it is also not divisible by 6, because it is odd number and not divisible by 2, so not by 6 also. Now come to E part. E is 901352. Since it is even number, so divide by 2. Now we have to test for 3. So 9 and plus 4, it is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. Okay, so 20 is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 6. Okay. Now we have come to F part. F is 4 3 8 7 8 7 5 0. Since it is 0 at one's place, so it is divisible by 2. Now we have to test by 3. Okay. So 4 plus 3, it is 7. 7 and plus this one is 15 is 22. 22 and plus 5 is 27. So 27 is divisible by 3. So complete number is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by number is divisible by 6. Since it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so it is divisible by 6. Okay, now we have come to the part G. So G is 1790184. Okay, so since it is even number, so this is divisible by 2 also. Okay, now we'll test for 3. So for finding 3, we need to add all digits. So 178, 8 plus 9 is 17, then 1 is 18, 18 and 8 26, and 26 plus 4 is 30. So 30 is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 6 also. Okay, I think you are getting the point basically. Huh? So we are dividing by 2 also and 3 also. If that is even number, then that is divided by 2. And if we need to find the divisibility by 3, we need to add all the digits of the number. And if the sum is divisible by 3, then that is divided by 3. So if both by 2 and 3 passes, then 6 also passes. Okay. So H is 12583. So since it is a odd number, so not divided by 2, so not divisible by 6 also. Not divisible by 6. Okay. Now I is 639210. So it is divisible by 2 since it is 0. Now we need to test for 3. So add all the digits. So 6 plus 3 9, then 9 18, then 21. Okay. So 21 divisible by 6. Sorry 3. So complete number is divisible by 6. Okay. Divisible by. Okay. Fine. Now we have last part is J. So J is 1 7 1 7 8 5 2. Since it is 2 at the ones place, so it is divided by 2 itself. And now we have to test by 3. So for divisibility, for finding the divisibility by 3, we need to add all digits. So 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, and 21 and then 2 is 23. 20 is not divisible by 3. So complete number is not divisible by 3, and this not divisible by 6 also. Okay, not divisible by 6. Fine. So this completes question number 3. Now we need to find out the question number 4. Question number 4. Okay. So this is the divisibility of 11. We need to test the divisibility of 11. Divisibility by 11. So how we find divisibility by 11? We need to the sum the digits of the odd places starting from the right, and even places, sum the even places also, and find the difference of odd and even places number. And then if that is 0 or the multiple of 11, then that is divisible by 11. Okay. So we'll have few means questions. So A part is 5 5 4 4, 5. Okay. So first of all we'll take odd numbers. Odd numbers we'll add these numbers. So it's 9. So and the even places is also 9. So difference is 0. Since difference is 0, then it is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. 0 or sorry, divisible by 11. 0 or multiple of 11. Okay. Anything comes. So B is 1, 0, 8, 2, 4. First of all, add the odd places. 4 plus 8 plus 1. Okay. So it is 13. Okay. 13. And even places, add these 2. It is 2. It is 11. So 11. So since we are getting 11, so complete number is divisible by 11. Okay. I hope you know the rules. If we are getting the difference are either 0 or multiple of 11, then that is divisible by 11. Okay. So we are finding the sum of odd places and then even places. Difference of both the two. Okay. Now C part is 7, 1, 3, 8, 9, 6, 5. So you uh, sum the odd places starting from right. Okay. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 3 17. Then 17 plus 7 24. Now sum the even ones, even places. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 1 15. Okay. I hope I have done the calculation right. Okay. So the difference is 9. So 9 is not divisible by 11, or it is not coming the factors are 0. So it is not divisible by 11. Not divisible. Number is not, this number is not divisible by 11. Okay. Divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. So C is okay. Now we have come to D part. So D is 7, 0, 1, 6, 9, 3, 0, 8. So we need to sum the odd places. So 8 or 3, 11, and 11 plus 6 is 17, and 0 is 17. Okay. And then even places, 0 plus 9 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay. So 17 minus 17 is equal to 0. So what we have explained, if we are finding the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then that is divisible. So since we have found 0 here, so it is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. I think you are getting that point completely. Okay. And you are trying to understand how we are getting this. Okay. So E is 1, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros are there? 2 to 6 zeros are there. 6 zeros, and last is 1. Fine. So here also we'll add up odd and even numbers. So 1 and 1 and 1. So we are getting 1, and even numbers are also 1. So it is 0. It is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. So this completes the question number 4. Now we are at question number 5. So what is question number 5? Question number 5 says, write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank spaces of each of the following number so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Okay. Divisible by 3. So any number which is divisible by 3. Okay. So the sum of the digits, is also divisible by 3. Then only that number will be divisible by 3. Okay. So what is the A question? A part. A part is dash is there. Then 6, 7, 2, 4. Okay. So we need to sum out these numbers and we need to see which number can be put at this place so that it becomes divisible by 3. Okay, so we need to find out this. Why? What? If we want to find out this, we need to sum first of all these digits. Okay, so 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, so what will be there? 6 plus 7. Okay, it is 13. Okay, 13 plus 2. Okay, is 15, and 15 plus 4 is 19. Okay, since 19 is not divisible by 4, but next number means next, why we want to find the next, because we will add here whatever the digit will be here, that will be added. So if we put 2 here, okay, we add 2 here, then there will be 21. Okay, so if we put a 2 here, then the complete sum will be 21. Okay, so then 21 will be divisible by 3. So what is the smallest number that we got? So smallest number at this place is 21. Oh, sorry, 2. The smallest number, we need to write number 2. Now they are saying that you need to find the largest also number, means greatest digit also. So greatest will be, how will I find the greatest? So at this place greatest number can be maximum 9. Okay, because we cannot put more than 9 at one place. So if we put 9 here, then uh, then then 19 plus 9 will be there, because some of these digits is 19. We have already done this. So 19 plus 9 cannot be divisible by 9. Okay, so what will be here? What we can put here? We can put here as 19 plus 8. Okay, so if we put 8, then here it will be 27. Okay, 27. So 27 divisible by 3. So the complete number will be divisible by 3 if we put here as 8 also. So if the number is like 6, 7, 2, 4, then this number will be divisible by 3. So what will the greatest digit? Will be 8. So greatest digit will be 8. Greatest, sorry, I am writing something wrong. I think you are getting the point. Okay, because understanding the question is very important. Greatest digit. Okay, greatest digit will be 8. Okay, this is the A part, and now B part is 4, 7, 6, 5, and then dash and 2. Okay, so we have tens place digit is missing. Okay, so for finding the divisibility by 3, that we have already explained, that you need to sum the digits, and the sum is divisible by 3, then the complete number is divisible by 3. So similarly we'll find the smallest and the greatest number here again. Okay, okay, so first of all we sum all these numbers, 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 and then 2, then find out what can be done. Okay, so 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, so sum will be 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 5 is 22, and 22 plus 2 equal to 24. Okay, so we can see that 24 is already divisible by 3. Okay, so what number here should be there so that it is divisible by 3 itself? So we need to add 24. If we add 0, then it will remain as 0. So at this place it will be 0. So smallest will be 0. Smallest number will be 0. Okay, now we need to find the greatest also. So greatest number can be put at one place is 9. Okay, so if we add 24 plus 9, okay, okay, so how much this will be? 33, 33. Okay, so it will be, okay, 33. Okay, so 33 is divisible by 9, sorry, 3. Okay, then the complete number will be divisible by 3. Okay, so at any greatest digit will be 9, that can be kept. Okay, so it will be like 4, 7, 6, 5, and here it will be 9 and 2. Okay, so greatest digit will be, our answer will be greatest digit, greatest digit will be 9. Okay, so this completes the question number 5. Now we have last question, question number 6. Question number 6. Okay, so question number 6 is, write a digit in the blank space of the each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Okay, so we need to find the divisibility of 11. Divisibility by 11. Okay, so there are two parts. First part is, so how we find out the divisibility by 11? We find the divisibility by 11 by by taking the sum of the odd places and even places of the digit and then finding the difference. Okay, okay, right. So number is 9 2, then space is there, and then 3 8 9. Okay, so we need to put a number at this place in such a way that the difference either comes as 0 0, or it is a multiple of 11. Okay, so we'll take this. Okay, so first of all we start with the right. Okay, we'll first add up the odd numbers and then even numbers. So at odd numbers is 9 plus 3. Okay, and then 3, this is 12, and then 2 is at odd places. Okay, 9 plus 3 12 plus 14 is 14. We got 14 here. Okay, and for even places, okay, even places 8 plus this blank and then plus 9. Okay, so at even places, sorry, at even place 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9 how much? 8 plus 9 will be 15, oh sorry, 17, and plus this blank space. Okay, so blank space suppose we take is at x. Okay, we are taking as x, and now we need to find the difference of odd and even number. So if difference is 0 or 11 or multiple of 11, then only it can be divisible by 11. Okay, and that will be unit digit because only one place is left. Okay, so here if we take that, if we subtract both, means 17 plus x, okay, minus 14. Okay, so here it will be 3 plus x. Okay, so what is the possibility of x that can make it 11? Okay, so it is only 8. If we put 8, okay, at x place, then it will be 11 because 3 plus 8 will be 11. Are you trying to understand? Okay, 3 plus 8. So it means if you put 8 in the place of x, then the complete difference will be 11. So the missing digit is 8 here. Missing digit is 8. Okay, I think this is a little bit difficult question, so you need to you need to try to understand this question. If you could not understood till now, just repeat it what I have explained. Okay, now I will attempt the second part of the question, and in this also I'll explain how to do it. This is 8, then space, then 9 4 8 4. Okay, now we'll add the digits at the odd places, and here we will assume that x number is there. Okay, and then find the difference. So for our odd places, 4 is there, then 4 is there, and then the blank space is there. So 4 plus 4, it is 8, and then plus x. This is for odd places. Odd places. Now we have even places. Even places is 8 plus 9 plus 8. Okay. So what will be there? 8 plus 8 is 16, and 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Okay. So this is at even place. Now we need to find the difference. Okay. So what will be the difference? Difference will be 25 minus 8 plus x. 8 plus x. Okay. So it will be if you subtract, then you will get 17. 17 minus x. Okay. So if you have, we need to make it multiple of 11. Okay. If you put 5 in place of x. Okay. If you put 5 in place of, no, not 5, 6 in place of x. Okay. Then the difference will be equal to 11. Okay. 17 minus 6 will be 11. So it means you need to put 6 in place of x. Okay. So the number will become, what will the number become? 8, and then blank space is 6 as we have calculated, and then 9, 4, 8, 4. Okay. Now if we try to sum up all the we need to find the solution back. So add uh, odd places. Okay. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and 6 is 14. This is at even place. And odd places is 8 plus 9 plus this one is 25. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have written little wrong. Okay, just a minute. This is odd place. This is, I have written as even, but it is odd place. Now we need to sum the uh, digits at even places. That is 8 plus 9 plus 8. It is 25, and it is even. And now the difference is 11. Okay. So it proves that what we have found, that is 6, that was the correct answer. So the here in this part the answer is 6. Okay. So the blank space digit will be blank space digit is 6. Okay. So this completes the exercise of 3.3, and this was quite long, and I think you completely understood. If you not understood, then delete the video from where you have started, or whatever the portion that you did not understood, then you will be able to understand fully. So this is all, and I will meet again in the next session. And the next session is of the common factors and the common multiples. Okay. And first of all, we'll explain the theory, then we'll do the exercise number 3.4. So we'll try to understand what is that. So this is all. Thank you very much. We'll meet again.